Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard boiled eggs in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a consistent temperature for cooking. Next, carefully place one egg into each cup of a standard muffin tin. It's important not to add any water to the muffin tin itself. This method relies on dry heat to cook the eggs perfectly. Once your oven is preheated and the eggs are in the muffin tin, it's time to bake them. Place the muffin tin into the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. The exact time depends on how firm you like your yolks. For a softer yolk, aim for the shorter end of the time range. Always use oven mitts when removing the hot tray from the oven. After baking, immediately transfer the hot eggs into a bowl of ice water. This crucial step, known as an ice bath, stops the cooking process and helps prevent a green ring around the yolk. Let the eggs cool in the ice bath for at least 10 minutes. When ready to peel, do so under cold running water. This often makes the shells much easier to remove. Once peeled, your delicious oven-baked hard-boiled eggs are ready to enjoy. You can store peeled eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. If you prefer to keep them unpeeled, they will last even longer, typically up to 2 weeks. They are perfect for salads, snacks, or meal prep. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.